We do X03 here, and we're celebrating my son's third birthday. Drayton and Benton are turning 3. They turned 3 on the 16th of February, but we're celebrating today. I believe it's the 20th, 21st. And they're having a shark. They're big on sharks. Got some shark straws. Ocean blue. As you can tell, if you haven't been in my house in a while, we've painted and done all kinds of stuff. Toys. My gamer chair. It's kind of a little house show off. Watching some Twitch. Daisy. But yeah. It's her birthday. And so yeah. It's your boy X03 here. Gonna make some more videos coming back. So, comments below. Say happy birthday to my 3-year-old sons, Drayton and Benton. And it's your boy X03. Stay crispy.